Good morning, students. Yesterday we were discussing English grammar chapter number 4 modal verbs exercise. Modal verbs exercise we were discussing. We have discussed yesterday 4 question A, B, C. We have discussed. Now today we will start discussing D number. From D number we will discuss. Complete each sentence using the most appropriate modal verb from the box. Fill in the blanks. We have to fill in the box. First, before filling in the box, you must remember some more rules about modals. The rules are that equivalence of modals means of equal value. Some words are used as equivalence of modals. Example, can, could are modals. Its equivalent are be able to. Be means is amar was. He is able to run. He was able to run. So can, could's equivalent are be able to. Means he is able to run. He was able to run means he can run. He could run. Clear? Equal value. Must. For must, equivalent is have to. You must go means you have to go. Should, ought to. Modal verbs, its equivalent had better. You should go, you ought to go means we can also say you had better go. In the question, in the box, had better written. You had better go. Good. And another rule we must keep in mind that modal plus have plus V3 is equal to past action event. We know that first rule that modal plus V1 always. So far we have studied only modal plus V1 in all examples. But now we discuss modal plus have. Have is also V1. Modal plus V1 always comes. Modal plus V1 plus modal plus have plus V3. This structure of modal will indicate past action event, not present time. So far we have studied only present. Now past action event. Example, may have. Modal plus have plus V3. May have, will have, can have, must have. May have, will have, can have, must have plus V3 is equal to past possibility. Is equal to past. We know that in the use of modals generally we make very less mistake. Very few mistakes we make because more than one option is possible. Any of the four, may have, will have, can have, must have, any four you can use. So in modals generally we don't make mistakes because more than one option is answer. So may have, will have, can have, must have plus V3 past possibility. Example, you may have seen the Taj Mahal. You will have seen the, can have seen the, must have seen the Taj Mahal all. But must have express a strong possibility. And may have, will have, can have simply possibility. When you will say this sentence, suppose that last week your friend went to Agra and he comes back, then you are talking and you will say that you may have seen the Taj Mahal because you went to Agra. Past time possibility. And its negative is generally made with can't have plus V3. Can't have plus V3. No past possibility. Almost no possibility. Negative means no possibility. There is not 0% possibility. When there is 0% possibility, then we use can't have V3. He can't have taken my book because he is my best friend. Because he is my best friend. So 0%, no past possibility, can't have V3 used. Another sentence, another structure, should have, ought to have plus V3. should have, ought to have, should have, ought to have plus V3. We know that should, ought to used for advice, present advice, but modal plus have V3 is equal to past. Should have, ought to have plus V3 means past time advice, not present time. In past advice not complete, past unfulfilled advice, past unfulfilled, not fulfilled, advice was not fulfilled. Example, you should have yesterday, yesterday you should have, yesterday you should have helped your friend. Yesterday past time, you should have helped your friend, but unfulfilled, you did not help. You did not help your friend yesterday, so I will tell, yesterday you should have helped your friend, but you unfulfilled, you did not help. Could have plus V3, past, could ability, present ability, could have V3, past unfulfilled ability, unfulfilled ability. He could have run, he could have won the race. Could have V3 means past unfulfilled ability. He could have won the race means he had ability in the past time to win the race, but he did not win the race. Clear? Now we will discuss in the box. First number question from the book. We dash buy any sugar, we've got enough. We needn't buy. First number, needn't. Second number, you dash give up smoking, it is a bad habit. You had better, you should, had better, and should, had better is the equivalent of should, ought to, equivalent had better. So you had better give up or you should give up, both possible. Third number, my ailing mother dashed to do all that work on her own. My ailing mother ailing means ill. Ailing means ill. My ailing mother had better not to do. Had better not to do. 4 number. Or we can also in the right third number, doesn't need to do. In third number also we can write doesn't need to do. Had better not or doesn't need to do, both possible. 4 number, you dash got some rest, you look exhausted. Not got, get. You had better get or you should get, both possible. Or you need to get, this is also possible. You need to get some rest. 5 number, Rinky dash handed in her work today. Rinky dash handed in her work today, for it wasn't due until next Wednesday. It will be needn't have handed. 5 number. 6 number, we dash tell mummy that Mayank is home. Mayank is home because She is very worried. We can write had better not. Had better not. 6 number, had better not. Seven number. She dash left the cake in the oven for 2 hours when it only needed an hour to cook. Left means shouldn't have left in past advice. Shouldn't have left. 7 number. 8 number. Rina dash say that to Rita. Rita will be very angry. 8 number. Had better not. 8 number, had better not. Also we can write in needn't. Needn't is also possible. Also shouldn't, also possible. 8 number, shouldn't, needn't, had better not, doesn't need to. This is also possible. 9 number. There were plenty of CDs at the party. There were plenty of CDs at the party. So Asif Dash brought along his guitar. Shouldn't have. Shouldn't have. Shouldn't have. Needn't have. Shouldn't have. Needn't have. Both are possible. 10 number. She had a small cut on her finger. So there is no dash call the ambulance. There is no need to call the ambulance. Clear? That's all for today, students. Rest part we will discuss tomorrow. These important rules of modals you must take the screenshot. Yesterday also we will discuss about it. You must write down these rules. Okay, thank you for today. Tomorrow we will discuss next part of this. Thank you.